In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete user account in Windows PC Windows 11. Before we start, a quick note: you will need to be signed in with an administrator account to remove other user accounts. Deleting an account also removes that user's data from this PC. So be sure you've saved anything important from their profile if needed. First, let's use the recommended method through Windows Settings. Open Settings by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. You can also right-click the Start icon and choose Settings. In the left panel, select Accounts. Now look for Other Users and click it. You will see a list of accounts on this PC. Find the account you want to remove. Select it and click Remove. A prompt will appear warning you that this action will delete the account and all associated data from this device, including files stored in that user's profile. If you are certain, click Delete Account and Data to finalize. Windows will remove the account and clean up its profile. This method is quick, direct, and works well for both local and Microsoft accounts that have been added to your device. If you prefer more detailed prompts, you can also do this through Control Panel. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Click User Accounts, then select Manage Another Account. You will see the available user profiles. Choose the account you want to remove. Click Delete the account. At this point, Windows asks whether you want to keep files or delete files. Choosing Keep Files will save the user's desktop, documents, favorites, music, pictures, and videos into a folder on your own desktop, making it easy to hand off or archive. Choosing Delete Files will permanently remove all of that account's data from the PC. Pick the option that fits your situation. To finish, click Delete Account. Windows will process the change and remove the account. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you are removing a standard account that's no longer needed, the Settings method is the fastest route. If you want an extra safeguard for personal folders, the Control Panel method's Keep Files option can be very helpful. Also, remember that deleting an account affects only this device. It doesn't close a Microsoft account online. Finally, once the account is gone, you can return to accounts to verify it no longer appears under other users. That's it. Thanks for watching.